So we're on the Beeville Economic Development Building. Wanted to take a quick video. This is after we've gone in, torn out some areas, cleaned up some areas, run new foam, and obviously you can see we're right now in the process of putting down the final coat of silicone. If you guys recall, we had some ponding water issues sitting right in here and it wasn't quite making it to the drain. We actually built the roof up, you can't see it, but there's about 4 inches of foam right there in that corner, and it tapers down all the way to this corner here. So now you can see we're going to have good drainage all the way through. All the parapet walls, we turned everything up. We built them up in the corner so water will run away from it. And then you can see there we actually tied it in, solid layer all the way through. This piece, if you remember from a previous video, was just in terrible shape. Now there's literally no holes, no seams, no gaps, no cracks or anything. Kind of show this from a distance here. What we've done, you can see around the air conditioner curbing all the way around here, same deal. One solid piece all the way through, you know, no holes, no penetrations. Our pipes, and I'll come back and show this when we get everything done, but you can see how we built up around them. We're wanting to push water out away onto the main roof. Again, one of the weaker areas. We also wanted to build it up to add a little more strength. Excuse me, Jeff. Same thing here. Look at our corners. I'll show you what we're doing down here. This is the lower area, and if you recall right through here, there's the scupper. We actually had some ponding water sitting right up through here. So we did the same thing. We came in here, we started to build it up a little bit, add some slope. And I don't know if it shows well from the video, but now we've got good drainage all the way down. We've come in, sprayed around this whole scupper. Then they've grounded out so we don't have a high area there. We're going to fill all that with silicone. You can see there's no gaps, no cracks, and there's nowhere for water to go.
This is where I was just talking I was like,
Again, built this areas up, covered the entire parapet wall all the way through. Remember, our wall looks something similar to this. Gaps, cracks, junk on top everywhere. We went in, cleaned this up a little bit, and then we just filled the whole thing in. So now you can see there's no corners, there's no crack, there's no seams, nowhere for water to go. That foam actually goes into the brick, expands out, locks itself into place. Everything here, solid corners. They built these up for us to turn those out and push water back onto the roof. All the way through. This is the Beeville Economic Development Building, Beeville, Kansas.